Hello students, welcome to the video lecture series on electrical installation, maintenance and testing. We have covered the unit number 1 distribution system and we have covered the unit number 2 substation and earthing. Today we are interested for the interesting unit that is called as a maintenance and condition monitoring. Now, in the previous classes, we have discussed that maintenance is nothing but to take care of the electrical equipment. You can term as that is called as a maintenance of that particular equipment. Let's take the example of the electrical fan, or you can say the TV, which is available in our home. So whenever we are going to clean that electrical fan or that particular TV with the help of cotton, or we can say that with the help of some you can say the आपण त्याला म्हणतो मराठीत की कापड घेऊन आपण जर त्याला क्लीन केलं so or if we are interested to remove the dust, so that is called as a maintenance. Yes, we are interested to do the electrical maintenance inside this particular unit, and we are interested to do the condition monitoring. So these terms are related to the electrical equipments, and whenever the electrical equipment is undergone during the maintenance, we have to take care of each and every part. Now in this we will discuss the importance and necessity of maintenance, why the maintenance is necessary, and with the help of maintenance you can say that many future problems we are limiting at some extent. So periodic maintenance, or you can say regular maintenance, is responsible for breakdown of, or you can say it can prevent from the breakdown of the equipment, electrical equipment. Then we will discuss the different maintenance strategies like breakdown maintenance, planned or preventive maintenance, and we are discuss the condition based maintenance. We are also interested for the planned and preventive maintenance of a transformer, induction motor and alternators. Then we will discuss the different factors, that is called as a insulation stressing factor. We are interested for the polarization index, insulation deterioration, dielectric absorption ratio. So these are the important ratios, and we have to measure these ratios for particular electrical equipment to check the level of insulation material. So if the level is not under the satisfied limits, so you can say that that electrical equipment is may get into the trouble after, you can say, 1 month and 2 months. So if we are considering these ratios, then we can say that these ratios will give you the exact information related to the insulation. Then we will discuss the third B part, that is called as a concept of condition monitoring of the electrical equipments, advanced tools and techniques of condition monitoring. So in the recent, or you can say in the few years back, they have discussed or they have developed the advanced technologies, or the advanced tools are available for doing the condition monitoring. And then we will discuss the important concept that is called as thermography. The name indicates itself. Thermography means it is a picture, or you can say it is a scene of temperature developed inside the electrical equipments, and that can be detected by thermography cameras. So that is again the recent technology, and one can predict the fault inside the electrical equipment by capturing the thermography images, or with the help of thermography camera one can capture the, you can say that the heat developed inside the electrical equipment. So that heat developed inside electrical equipment can be any, It can be electrical machine, you can say it can be electrical fan, it can be, you can say, converters, rectifiers, yes. So in that way we are interested to capture that image on the thermography camera, and on that image or on that scene, if the heat developed is beyond the limit, then we can identify that particular part of that electrical equipment and we can reduce that heat within a safe limit. So I hope this unit is a very interesting, and this unit we are doing in our day-to-day life also. So we will discuss this unit in detail from the next video class. Thank you. God bless you all.